Hello guys, welcome to DIYS, do it yourself. In today's section I will be showing you another way by which you can improve the performance of your computer system. This time around we're going to be cleaning the system disk to free up space from your systems. So let's dive into it. You go to File Explorer under your C drive. This is where your C drive is. You right click it, click on Properties, brings you this is the interface it brings. So first of all, we're going to do a disk cleanup. Click on this disk, click this cleanup. It brings up this interface. So here it shows you things to delete from your systems. So we're going to check the recycle bin. Things you've deleted that usually goes into the recycle bin. So you check your recycle bin. You remember temporary files. This is similar to cleaning your system cache too. So you just check let's uncheck download program files. There would be some things you downloaded and you wouldn't want to just delete it. So you leave this temporary files, leave that. Then click on temporary files here, recycle bin, thumbnails, that's all. So you click OK, then delete files. So hold on. This happens for a while. So this is the first step. Then the second step, you come to tools. This is where your tools are. Then we're going to optimize your system, optimize the system, so which is optimize and defragment drive. So you click on optimize. It brings you to this interface. Then you click, there are two, this is the drives that are available. You highlight the Windows 10 Pro. This is where the major drive where all your files and everything is being stored. Then you analyze it. It's 1%. It's analyzing. This will take a while. So when this is done, what you do next is to optimize. What this does to your system is that it deletes all empty spaces in your system. It compresses it to create more space for your system. So this also helps to improve the performance of your system. So you click on optimize. So optimize has finished. Okay, it's still moving. It's 5%. So let's wait for it to get to 100%. So it's finished. So that is all. Then you close it. Close here also. We are done. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share.